Welcome to ET420 Lab 2 Simple BlocklyProp Circuits for Propeller Boards. This is part A. Here I'm showing the Parallax Propeller Activity Board WX, and we should just plug in the USB, and that should be enough power. If not, then we'll use a power supply, but I think it should be okay. We have a switch here. We have 0 is off, 1 is the microprocessor, and 2 is including the servo. Here we have our proto board, and we have our pinouts P0 through P15. Up here we have 3.3 volts, 5 volts, and there should be a ground in the middle here somewhere. Actually, here's a ground here, and we have 80 Ds on the bottom. We're going to utilize these two LEDs on the very bottom, P26 and P27, and that should be enough to do the lab. Okay, let's make this first program, and I'm running this in Firefox. You need to run it in Chrome, otherwise it won't work. I can't record on Chrome, so I'm going to go ahead and just use this. So let's go to Control, and we're going to repeat forever. Go to Control. We're going to need 2 delays, and then let's go to pin states, and we're going to do, and let's copy that, and we're going to pause, and I think we're going to make that 500. And we're going to, and then let's go ahead, we're going to make that 500, and we're going to do pin 26 and pin 26, and we're going to make this low. So we're going to do this do loop, which is going to repeat forever. We're going to make pin 26 high. We're going to go on for half a second, 500 milliseconds, and we're going to go low for 500 milliseconds. Okay, we're going to need to wire in 3 LEDs. The colors really don't matter. And what we're looking for is the flat side, which would be the cathode, which is the minus side, and that's going to go down to the ground bus here on the bottom. And the anode, the plus side, are going to go from 8 to 10, and we're going to use an resistor, 220 ohm resistor, in order to reduce the current. Okay, so let's take our recent program with pin 26, and let's go ahead and start with pin 8, and this should continuously flash LED that's connected to pin 8, and we could change the times by changing our pause, and we can duplicate so we could go ahead and insert pin 9 and pin 9. We're going to make him low, and we're going to add another one, and we're going to make changes to pin 10, duplicate. We're going to change this to high, so we should have high, high, low alternating, and this will continue forever. Okay, let's modify this program here, and we could get rid of everything except for 2 pauses. And what we're going to do is go to control, so we're going to get a repeat item, and we are going to use pin states, and we're going to use one that looks like this. So we could change that. And let's see, repeat item, and we're going to go from 8 to 10, and we're going to need another variable item, and we're going to take out just a number. I'm going to insert item, take out the number, duplicate, put that back in there. And let's bring up our, and see if we did it right. Item 500, 500, high, and we need to be low. And we got it.